Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we'll be focusing on the process of changing the plate on your Conga 990. This task can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you'll be able to do it with ease. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a torque wrench, and cleaning supplies like compressed air and a microfiber cloth. It's essential to have these items ready before you begin. Once you have your tools, ensure the device is powered off and unplugged to avoid any electrical issues. Begin by removing the screws located at the back of the Conga 990. Use your Phillips screwdriver for this task. Remember to keep the screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Next, gently lift the back cover to expose the internal components. This is where you can take a moment to clean any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Use compressed air to blow out any particles and the microfiber cloth to wipe down surfaces. Keeping the internal area clean is vital for the device's longevity. Now, let's focus on the plate itself. Carefully detach the old plate from its mount. If you encounter any resistance, check for any remaining screws you may have missed. Once removed, take a moment to compare the old plate with the new one, ensuring they match in size and configuration. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this task, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can assess the situation and guide you through the process. To install the new plate, align it with the mounting points and press it into place. Use your torque wrench to secure the screws, ensuring they are tight but not overly so, as this can strip the threads. A good rule of thumb is to tighten them in a cross pattern to ensure even pressure. After the new plate is installed, it's time to reassemble the back cover. Line it up carefully and replace all screws you removed earlier. Once everything is secure, power the device back on to ensure it operates correctly. If at any point you feel uncertain, or if you simply prefer to have a professional handle it, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you won't need to worry about transporting your device. Now, let's recap. Gather your tools, clean the internal components, carefully replace the old plate with the new one, and securely reassemble your device. If you need assistance, remember, no calls, no travel, just a seamless service right from your home. Finally, before you start using your Conga 990 again, do a quick check to ensure everything is functioning properly. If you're unsure, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. This way, you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of cost and service. And there you have it. Changing the plate on a Conga 990 can be a straightforward task with the right approach and tools. Happy cleaning! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.